Wonderful 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage home in Lindale ISD. This home is move-in ready. Stylish and classy, this open floor plan is ideal. The kitchen with breakfast bar and pantry is perfectly located next to the dining area and family room with soaring ceilings and wood-burning fireplace. The split master is complete with 2 large separate walk-in closets and ensuite bath. 2 guest rooms share a hall bath and provide space for family or guests. Enjoy the fenced backyard from the custom covered patio. Special financing available. Come see. Come buy.